So it's 2026, we are all using great mirrorless cameras and bodies and glasses, and sharpness is the fashion of the moment, but it might happen from time to time that a few of your shots maybe show some grains or some motion blur and you have to fix them in post-production. This is exactly where AiArty, another software, come into play to help you save those shots so that you can still use them or sell them. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from OneLensOnly, and today I want to talk to you about this great software which is AiArty. Now, full disclosure, they are not sponsoring this video. They gave me the activation code to be able to play with the software and actually experience it, and I will show you exactly what am I doing with that, because despite 2026, all the camera bodies, all the brands, all the glasses, Chinese glasses, Japanese glasses, German glasses, they are all also sharp, and we can have over sharpened and details, incredible details due to the resolution that we're having nowadays. Well, it might happen that a few of your shots show some grains because maybe you didn't think it through when you were taking that shot and now it's too late to retake it. Or maybe you were not exactly right with the camera speed and you show some motion blur, and then you have to fix it because maybe it's a memory, because it was just a special occasion and there is no time to shoot it again. So this is exactly where AiArty comes into play to help you save that shot. Now, I will show you a few examples right now. Here we are having a butterfly. These are examples that you can download from their website and see with the slider the before and after. And this is a girl. It was not so sharp, so you can see the portrait is being fixed as we speak. It's just a matter of a few seconds. You let it run and it will fix those aspects for you. This is also some food shot with a burger. Then you might want to have that photo more crisp, more detailed. And here is just something generated with the AI. Now, the great things that this software can do, apart from having over sharpened on removing the noise from the digital noise that you created with high ISO, well, you might be willing to erase the background, and so you want to have transparency behind your subject, because maybe you need to just having transparency and change, overlay the background. Maybe it's a product shot and you need to hide the surroundings, so you just want to have that product, and so this can help you as well, erasing the background from the shots. But what I really used it for, and here I will show you an example, is to increase the size and the image quality, so both the resolution or the size of an image can be improved. Now, if you follow the channel for a while, you know that I went through a complete rebranding lately, so I created this brand new logo, and since I'm not able to draw myself because I'm a photographer, I'm not a graphic designer, I had to ask help with the AI to create this brand new logo. But the thing is that the software that you use with AI, whether it is Copilot or Xfield, they are limited in the resolution that they give you as an output. So if you want to have printing quality for the logo, but also for other artworks that I'm showing you right now, well, you need to have this enhancement. And so if you give the image that you want to enhance either in size or in resolution to AiArty, then you can select if you want to double it, triple it, 4 times, 5 times, up to 8 times, or you might want to choose defined size like 2K, 3K, 4K, up to 8K. So here I gave my new logo to AiArty and asked for it to render it in 8K resolution. And right now, as you can see, the end results are stunning because now I have a printable quality image. But not only I did it for the logo, I also developed a few new artworks for the new concept for the OneLensOnly, because OneLensOnly as a word is just boring, so I wanted to have some playful artworks because I didn't have t-shirts yet, and so I'm ordering them right now. I was able to develop new artworks and to increase the quality, enhance the resolution so that they are printable on t-shirts, on merchandise, on home apparels. You will find the link down here below for the Threadless OneLensOnly shop. But you will also find the link here below for my affiliate link for AiArty. So they're not sponsoring this video, but if you decide you need it and you want to subscribe thanks to that link, they will give me a kickback. So thank you for supporting the channel. And either way, as you can see, the image quality improved so much that now I can have big size printing on the t-shirts, while before I only had to go for a teeny tiny stamp size logo on the t-shirt. So right now we can even have mugs and skateboards printed with my design. So guys, this is very powerful. I wanted to show you today what can be done with photos, but AiArty also works on enhancing the quality of your videos. So the same thing will apply to video. We will have a separate episode because I want to show you some actual examples, how you can sharpen, how you can improve the dimensions, the resolution of your video, and also denoising, cleaning, making beauty shots of the faces, because the fashion of today is having over sharpened images but also soft and smooth skin. So AiArty can help you enhance your videos and your photos even when it's too late, when you think you missed the chance or that you lost some time for production and you will have to go through production again. This is where this software saves the day. So guys, please let me know down here in the comments if you have any question about the software, about the t-shirt by OneLensOnly. And with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.